This is Hartsdown Academy, Margate. They're having new security fencing installed. This is nesting season for wildlife. Look at the state of this. The whole area has been massacred. These bushes have stood here in front of the school for over 60 years. And this is what contractors have done. It's absolutely criminal. Now, 2 years ago, Thanet District Council were hauled over the coals for trimming bushes up at the winter gardens in nesting season. Now look at the state of this. It's absolutely appalling. Hartsdown, you should be ashamed of yourselves. The heart of Hartsdown's been ripped out and it's on the down. Shame on you for letting this happen. This is nothing more than criminal damage. This is how the bushes used to look. This is further up. This is yet to be done. Now, you can't tell me that they couldn't take those fences out without completely decimating all of that greenery. There are nesting birds around this area. I've seen them myself. I've seen them over the past few years in there. I'll tell you what, this looks a damn sight better than the mess they're doing down there. Well, I hope you're proud of yourself, Hartsdown. Officially rated good. I went to this school and I was proud of it. Now I'm absolutely ashamed and hold my head low to know that my children go here. You are a shambolic mess. You couldn't manage anything. Absolutely disgusting.